In an era defined by innovation, one name stands at the forefront of possibility. Welcome to the Nexa smartphone manufacturing plant, a beacon of technological advancement. Here, precision meets scale. Our state-of-the-art automation systems work in perfect harmony with a skilled, dedicated workforce. Every component, every device is crafted with uncompromising quality control and sustainable processes. Nexa, shaping the future of connectivity, one innovation at a time.
At the edge of the visible world, the universe is being created. The blueprint for our digital age etched in pure silicon. Here, precision is everything. Each nanometer is sculpted with extreme accuracy, turning raw material into a powerhouse of information. While machines perform the micro-magic, human ingenuity guides the process, ensuring perfection at every step. Through lenses that magnify the impossible, we inspect the future. A single flaw is not an option. From sand to silicon, from blueprint to brain. This is how we build the future, one circuit at a time.
In the heart of innovation, precision is everything. This is where the future of technology is built. Here, advanced robotics and human ingenuity collaborate in perfect harmony, crafting the brains of your smartphone. Every component, from the processor to the sensors, is positioned with micron-level accuracy. Rigorous quality assurance ensures every part meets the highest standards of performance and reliability. This is more than
where precision meets perfection. Every cut is the beginning of a new standard in clarity. Refined to a wuxia finish, our scratch-resistant coating ensures lasting beauty and durability. Layer by layer, innovation is built in. Ultra-thin design meets enhanced strength. Rigorous inspection for flawless quality. Engineered for versatile compatibility and easy installation. The result, an immersive visual experience. This is the new face of technology.
In the heart of innovation, precision is everything. Welcome to the future of smartphone manufacturing. Every component is placed with absolute accuracy, ensuring optimal performance and safety. A seamless blend of human expertise and robotic precision. The perfect synergy for quality and efficiency, where cutting-edge technology meets meticulous craftsmanship to create a flawless product. This is more than assembly. This is the
Perfection is not a goal. It is the standard. Forged from exclusive materials, designed with an unwavering commitment to elegance. Every detail, engineered for uncompromising performance and stunning beauty. Before it meets the world, it must meet our exacting standards.
Perfection begins with a single point of light, where cutting-edge technology meets uncompromising precision, guided by the experts who define excellence. Engineered to capture your world in stunning detail, new standard in performance, ready to elevate your vision.
In an era of innovation, how do you guarantee perfection? The answer is smarter testing. Our high-precision system conducts automated brightness and color accuracy tests, ensuring every pixel performs flawlessly. From the gentlest tap to the fastest swipe, we validate responsive and reliable touch performance. Camera focus and image quality are verified with unmatched precision, ensuring your device captures the world perfectly. We push the limits of durability so you can trust your product to withstand the test of time. With real-time data analysis and a user-friendly interface, complete control is at your fingertips.
Perfection isn't just in the details, it's in every single step. From our hands to yours, we ensure the